Hey, greetings, chopsticks. This is Odin Von Zero here in Nashville, Tennessee at the Fairgrounds. I came down here today to check out one of the last remaining days of this pop-up art installation exhibit called Otherworld Encounter. It's very similar to Meow Wolf and the recently opened Otherworld in Ohio. We'll be going there soon, I hope. But for now, this is a little closer to home. So we're going to step inside, take a look around. We're going to begin by having our dreams scanned.
And our technology harnesses that energy and transforms it into a world you can interact with.
The curtains have opened, and now we enter ASMR. Slimy. You want some? Wicked looking tree. Oh, I like this thing. Let's go up these stairs. I guess get a little behind the scenes, central operating some of the other rooms. But best of all, a slide. A lot of directions of which way to go. We could go down this portal. This is neat. Alright, next room. Chalk. You thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah. There's a lovely lady. This room is really trippy. Let's see what happens. What's in here? Hey, no smoking in Otherworld Encounter, Buster. That's cool. That's cool. Let's see what happens. Well, thanks to a couple of other visitors, we cracked the code and got into a little bit of game lounge. Antique. Duck hunt. People say I have an 8-track mind. Going into virtual reality. Wish me luck. '70s, '80s, '90s, 2000s, and 2010s. That's pretty cool. That's what it really looks like behind the scenes. Otherworld Encounter here in Nashville, Tennessee. This is only going on for a few more days, so if you hear about this coming to your town, it's well worth checking out. And with that, I'll see you further on down the trail.